Hey you guys, Joshua Grimes here with another vacuum cleaner video. As you can see, I've got a bunch of dust spread out all over the floor here. And we're going to clean this up here with my Royal Classic all-metal upright vacuum cleaner. And after I am done cleaning up this mess, we will see how it performs. I will do a review on this unit. This is a Model 4000. I've also got a Model 9700 down in my room. As soon as I get a belt and bags for that, I will be doing a video test of this as well. And I apologize, you can hear one of my dogs in the background, and we're being interrupted by my little puppy. We just arrived at the house yesterday, so I'm going to start out, and I'm going to do a pass right through the middle. I'm going to do it on the highest setting to pick up the bigger clumps right through the middle, and then I'm going to lower it down and then go again, and we'll see how clean the middle part where I swept through is compared to the rest of the carpet. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Now, as you can see, that was on the highest setting to pick up the big stuff, and it seemed to pick up most everything. There are some littler bits and pieces that are still there. Everything else, for the most part, has been picked up. Now I'm going to go ahead and adjust it down to the right setting. And how we do that here is this little button here will suck in like that when you have it adjusted to the right setting. So I'll let you guys see that here as I'm adjusting it. And we'll get it set to the right setting. You can see this carpet here where the dust was, it has come completely clean compared to where it is on both sides. This part has come completely clean. Now I'm going to sweep up the rest of this mess, and we will do a review on this vacuum cleaner. Okay, the carpet is clean. As for my review on this vacuum, it is definitely a great sweeper. Picks up good, as you can tell. It's a very shiny and sleek looking vacuum cleaner in my opinion. It has a rather large bag. The fill tube runs up to right here on the bag, and there's a paper bag inside of here. So if you go up to right here on the bag, you can fill the paper bag up to this high on the bag. So in real reality, that holds a lot of dirt. I have been using this for daily cleaning. It seems to work pretty good, and as you can tell by the demonstration, that was a lot of dust picked up in a little amount of time, and if it can do that, I have no doubt that it's cleaning my carpets good when I do the daily cleaning. The only downside thing that I would say about it would be the hose is not on board. But with any direct air vacuum cleaners, including Kirby's, they are the same way. I'll wipe the dust off this here. They are the same way. You gotta either pull a cap or remove the bell nozzle and remove the belt and hook up, and then your hose hooks into there. It can be a pain, especially if you do not have the belt lifter tool. It can be a pain to do that. Anytime you need to use the hose to have to pull off the belt, and then when you're done with the hose, stretch it back on, especially if you do like I do, and you do some of your regular sweeping, and then you do the hose you need in that, do the sweeping you need to do with the hose in that room, and then you move to the next room, and then you got to put the belt back on, sweep the carpet, unhook it, but it can be kind of painful. Other than that, I would definitely, this is I would definitely recommend this unit. And it is not a commercial unit, it is a commercial quality unit. In all reality, this is the exact same thing as the Royal commercial models. The only difference is the cord on here matches the bag collar, like most residential uprights do for the Royals. The cord matches the bag collar, and it is only a 2-prong plug, whereas the commercials always have a orange cord and a 3-prong plug. That is the only difference. It's got the all-metal toggle switch, which, by the way, you will only find that on Royal vacuum cleaners. It is right there, easy to access. That is definitely a good thing. And with it being all metal, it is very easy it is very durable. And if something were to happen and your cord were to fray here or something, it is very easy. You pull this plate off, this slides right out, and there are 2 wire nuts. You take off the 2 wire nuts, you cut the cord, you splice the wires, and you screw it back on, and everything slides back together, and you can't even tell you had to shorten the cord. So repairs on this are relatively easy. Everything's easy to get to. You can pretty much get to everything on the vacuum cleaner after removing 4 screws, one there, and 2 on the same places on either side. The only another downside to this, I would say, is the bag zipper being metal. However, that is durable, and I definitely do appreciate that. It oftentimes gets stuck like this, and don't want to zip up very easily. And that may also be as well because this is an older model. But however, I do not have this problem on my model 9700, which is a 1992, and this one here is a 2002. So this here is my video demonstration and review of the all-metal Royal Classic Model 4000 upright vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon with more videos.